The posterior view related with that is the voluntary extraocular muscle. Then let's see that is the involuntary muscle, that is the superior tarsus muscle and the inferior tarsus muscle. So the superior tarsal muscle, it is deep portion of the levator palpebrae superioris muscle, and it is inserted on the upper margin of superior tarsus, and it elevates the upper eyelid. So that is the main important function which is done by the superior tarsal muscle. Then the inferior tarsal muscle, it extends from the facial sheath of the inferior rectus and the inferior oblique muscle. Then it is possibly depresses the lower eyelid. So that is the functions which is done by the inferior tarsus muscle. Then let's see that is the voluntary muscle. So that is the four recti muscle. So this one superior rectus, inferior rectus, lateral rectus, and this is the medial rectus. So these four recti muscle, they are arises from the common annular tendon or the tendinous ring, and this ring is attached to the orbital surface of the apex of the orbit. So here in this diagram you can see that is the medial, lateral rectus, superior rectus, inferior rectus, and that should be forming that is the tendinous ring, and it is attached to the apex of the orbit, and it encloses the optic canal and middle part of the superior orbital fissure. Then the superior oblique, it arises from the body of the sphenoid bone, superomedial to that the optic canal. So here that is the optic canal, that is superomedial side. Then the inferior oblique, this one, it arises from the orbital surface of the maxilla. So that is the inferior oblique, it is originate from the orbital surface of maxilla lateral to that the lacrimal groove, and the muscle is situated near to the anterior margin of the orbit. Then the next muscle, that is the levator palpebrae superioris. So it arises from the orbital surface of the lesser wing of the sphenoid bone, antero-superior to that the optic canal, and the origin of the superior rectus muscle. So in this way that the muscle should be originate. Then the insertion of this muscle. So the recti muscles are inserted into that the sclera. So here in this diagram, that is the four muscle, superior, inferior, lateral, and the medial rectus. So that should be inserted into that the sclera a little posterior to that the limbus. So here you can see that so little posterior to that the limbus. The tendon of the superior oblique, it passes through a fibrocartilaginous pulley which is attached to that the trochlear fossa. So here you can see, and this pulley is attached to that the frontal bone. Then the tendon then passes laterally downwards and backwards below to the superior rectus muscle, and it should be inserted behind the equator of the eyeball of the sclera. Then the inferior oblique, so this one, so it is a fleshy throughout, and it passes laterally upwards and backwards below to that the inferior rectus muscle and deep to that the lateral rectus. Then inferior oblique, it should be inserted close to that the superior oblique, little below and posterior to that the equator of the eyeball. Then the levator palpebrae superioris insertion. The tendon of the levator splits into superior or the voluntary and the inferior or the involuntary lamina.
ऊपर पकड़ना, ये पकड़ना, ये तुम्हारे फोर्सेप्स से पकड़ना। This is fat, orbicular fat. You can see this is the optic nerve.
Yes, sir.
दिख रही है?
Yes, sir. So, okay.
देखो optic nerve.
देखते चालू करते हैं.
This is the vessel. You can see this is small micro vessel. पकड़ के रखो. Now remaining the Tenon's capsule. पकड़ के रखो. ये पकड़. ये पकड़. दोनों पकड़ के. बोलो. चलो रखो. चलो 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 नीचे से. ये ऐसे पकड़ो. ऊपर. ये पकड़ो. पकड़ो ऊपर. Here you can see that is the thin layer conjunctiva. एकदम शाइनी जो लेयर दिख रही है.
Yes.
वहाँ से दिख रहा है. कंजंक्टाइविटिस जिसको बोलते हैं. इन्फेक्शन होने के बाद इन्फ्लामेशन उसमें आ जाता है. रेड आंखें हो जाती है. जलन होती है हमको. Here you can see superior rectus muscle. दिख रही है.
Yes.
कट करो नीचे करो. Here that is the lateral rectus muscle. This is the oblique muscle. दिख रही है. oblique muscle, lateral rectus. This is superior rectus. Okay. This is medial rectus and this is inferior rectus. Okay. यहाँ से कट करो. यहाँ से. छोड़ दो. You can see all the four muscles. दिख रहे हैं? देखो.
Yes.
दिख रहे हैं चारों मसल.
Yes.
फोटो भी ले लो. क्लोजअप लिया ना, जूम करके लिया। अंधेरा आ रहा है इसमें। हो गया?
नहीं नहीं
हो गया क्या? कल निकलना चाहिए।
तेरे घर
नहीं नहीं
चल लेंगे
ठीक है? So we had seen all the muscle. This is the superior oblique and this is the inferior oblique. ठीक है? Total 6 muscles of the eyeball. This is optic nerve. Zoom करके लो. Center you can see that is the optic nerve and it shows that is the covering of that is the periosteal layer of the dura mater. That is called the epineuron. Now we have to dissect the eyeball